Do you wake up with puffy, dull, or tired skin? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a simple drink you can make every morning that can completely change your skin from the inside out? That's right. Today, I'm sharing a natural, easy-to-make detox drink that improves digestion, clears your skin, flushes out toxins, and boosts your overall glow. And the best part? It actually works. This one drink can help reduce acne, brighten dull skin, and even slow down signs of aging, all by supporting your body naturally. No expensive serums, no chemical products, just ingredients from your kitchen that nourish your skin deeply. So if you're someone who's tried everything but still struggling with your skin, then this morning routine could be your game changer. Stay tuned till the end for full ingredients, how to make it, when to drink it, and the skin benefits you'll start noticing within a week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare and health tips that actually work. Let's glow from the inside, together.